Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of JK's Garage. On this episode, I've got Tim the Toolman again, and there's a good reason for that. Tim is a perfectionist, so when he had a request come through for the beautiful red Ford Mustang next to us, he couldn't say no, and I'll get to that shortly. Tim, the request came through because if you can tell me why, if you can elaborate why that request came through.
Okay, this vehicle comes with the Brembo brake discs.
Yeah.
And in order to, and the client had, I think, two punches due to the South African potholes.
Yeah.
Uh, and he wanted to get, and he couldn't put in a biscuit tire
Gotcha.
in the spare wheel well.
Yeah.
Because of the Brembo brake discs.
Okay.
He had to get in a normal full size rim.
Okay, so that
Matching,
poses a problem with the
yes,
full size.
The full size rim now sticks above your boot level.
So it makes it ugly.
It makes it ugly,
Yeah.
and it was looking untidy and scattered.
Okay.
And he wanted me to neaten it up.
Okay, so the customer just wanted full size tire to fit into the boot as
Yes.
opposed to the biscuit,
Yes.
and he wanted it to look, I'm assuming, as OEM as
I-
possible.
I wanted to do that. He just wanted a cover.
Yeah.
And I told him, okay, I'll do it.
Yeah.
He didn't expect what I was giving him.
The perfectionist.
Yes, you could say that. And I tried to not make it seem as if it's a spare wheel cover,
Yes.
because I tried to make it as OEM or better for him. And so when he opens the boot, no one must know that it's a disguise
Gotcha.
or it's a camouflage.
Gotcha.
It had to be a feature in the car.
Cool. So let's have a look. Let's open the boot and have a look. Got the Mustang here.
The Mustang and the GT logo built in. It's basically a replica of the logo of the car.
Yeah, yeah, I can see that.
So if someone looks at it, they think it's the logo of the car in the boot.
Man, that's amazing. And of course, you can fit stuff around it.
Yes, around, even on it, because it's made from, it's an epoxy carbon composition.
Right.
So it's strong.
Steady.
Yeah.
Man, that looks brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And it's got a full-size spare wheel under here.
We can get it lifted up.
Let's have a look. Oh, that's amazing. Absolutely amazing. That's fantastic.
I like to do stuff that you can't buy anywhere.
Gotcha.
It's like, if I make something, it must be one of one.
If you need fabrication or something of stuff like this done, I'll leave a description in the link below. You guys can go there, or details, contact details. What am I saying? Description, contact details, and forward them if it's okay with you, and the guys can reach out to you, and let's see what you can do for them.